What's going on, guys? All right, we got ourselves another unboxing. We got ourselves a Kirkland signature driver, the adjustable driver that is. And basically, man, Kirkland or Costco, you guys are dropping bombs on us, because earlier you gave us the irons and then now you give us a driver. So that's awesome. I think us golf fans are excited about that. But yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing. Let's check out what's inside. But before we get into this, please like and subscribe. That would be great. All right, let's check it out.